just noticed how slowly this line of froth is moving. It could be likened to the movement of the continents. Thinking about plate tectonics, how the continents floating on this gigantic sphere of molten rock, slowly moving across the surface of the earth. With these fault lines barging up against each other. You would imagine something like this for the inhabitants who are living along there would experience a significant amount of earthquakes. And thus in the microcosm we can observe the macrocosm of both space and time. Incredible. So we get to consider the supercontinent cycle at Lake Magic, Wave Rock. I was just working on the mural for Wave Rock and researching the supercontinents. Volbera is the oldest of the supercontinents. I thought it was but they're very close, but Volbera, it seems, from the reading I've been doing, is slightly older. Followed by then Kendallland, then Nuna, Rodinia, Pangaea, and I was looking at 4 different models they've got for the future as well. But all of these things can be observed in different ways through microscopic appreciation for the details in nature, as you can see here. Marley's just arrived. Marley, look, I've noticed a bit of an echo of the movement of continents around the planet here. You see the movement of this froth?
Yep, looks like the west coast fractals. And I've noticed there's two right angles of happening.
Oh my goodness, a collision? Is there a collision up there? Let's go and see if there's a... Well, collision, that's where you get mountain building. So we'll go and see what Marley's found. What have we found here? Ah, yeah. Okay, Marley's quite right. We have a slight... It's called an orogeny, a mountain building episode. So I'll endeavour to get down. It's been a lot of rain, as you can see. In Australia, there's a number of once were mountain ranges. They're not mountain ranges anymore, but they were. And they were forced up as the ancient cratons collided with each other. The vestiges are... I've explored one between the collision between the Yilgarn and the Pilbara. You can see evidence of it at Mount Augustus. Another one is Central Australia, the Petermans, with the erosion of the Petermans, which were potentially as high as, well, maybe the Himalayas, maybe smaller, but you find the evidence in Uluru and Kata-Juda. But all of these things can be considered by observing froth moving across Lake Magic here at Wave Rock. And of course, Wave Rock is part of the Yilgarn block, some of the oldest rock on the planet. Sounds like somebody else discovered a supercontinent. Certainly excitement over there.
Slip along each other.
Yeah.
That's what you're talking about.
That's it. Yeah, it's happening off the Los Angeles. All those volcanoes and things that they get along the west coast of the States. San Francisco. They're living close to a fault line. It's what we're observing here. I was just